Now we are at the 0 hour. The time I've been waiting for is now. Please let's welcome His Excellency, our own President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Welcome, sir.
This campaign complex has been made possible through the generosity of our leader, our father, and the PDP chieftain, Chief Igbinedion. And he said to us, whatever it will take, whatever we need to put in place to make sure that you are the next president of this country, we in Edo State will do. So on behalf of the PDP members in Edo State, we welcome you, and sir, we'll be really grateful if you can help us open this campaign office for the election of President Atiku and Vice President Okowa.
To the glory of God and gratitude to Chief Sir Gabriel Igbinedion and the support of the governor and government of Edo State, it is my singular honor and privilege to commission. I believe this is the largest campaign office so far donated in the country. I have gone around this country a bit, but I have not seen a city that is so PDP like Benin City. Not even my home state is adorned as much as Edo State and Benin City is today. So, Obaseki, I want to thank you very much indeed. Again, another unique thing we have gotten is the donation of this office by our father and leader, Sir Chief Gabriel Igbinedion. We are here, first of all, not to tell you anything new, but to assure you that we are very conversant with their challenges in this state and also in the South generally. Therefore, it is South geopolitical zone is solid PDP. And you can see the evidence in this state. And of course, you have a vice president from the South. I think that is the minimum the PDP can do to the South. I said it to one governor before. I said you deserve to produce a president, but at the very minimum, you should get the vice presidential. So this is because of their contributions to the growth, development of our great party, the PDP. And of course, if you have already got a vice president and we elect a PDP government, you are on your way to getting the presidency. For your support and loyalty to our party. This is a unique opportunity to reiterate our commitment to the overall development of the South-South and the door with its own peculiarities or potentials in both oil and gas, in agriculture, in manufacturing. Virtually, there is no item of economic development that is not available in this state. What I can assure you is that if elected, I will work very, very closely with the governor, who is a known economic guru, to make sure that all these potentials that are available in this state are exploited to the benefit of the people of this state and the country at large. But specifically, we will work together with the governor and the private sector. You happen to be just at the middle of the country. And therefore, in terms of infrastructure connecting you to further south and also north, you are just at the heartbeat of this country.
We cannot thank God enough for bringing you and making you our candidate at this time in our national history. By the grace of God, you will be our president. And it is important that you become our president if our country is to survive. Because as I mentioned to you, boss, our country worked until a certain point in time in our history. We were in a hurry. We were anxious. A few youths at that time were too impatient. Oh, politicians are corrupt. They are taking themselves. They are doing this. And they terminated our democratic experience in 1966. That is what we are paying for today. And since then, that class of 66 have been the one who have held us and kept us where we are.
Yeah.